Oh, welcome to Nothing But Kitchen. And here today we got that boy Joe and Thing. Today we're gonna do cinnamon rolls in the FARBERWARE air fryer toaster oven. So these are the people I used.
Yep.
And literally you had to let it sit out room temperature for 8 hours. Okay? Now we're gonna see what's gonna happen sticking these bad boys in here.
Yeah.
So this is them right here. They have this other separate rack that kind of looks like something in your oven.
Yeah.
We're gonna do it at the bottom lower section. Slide that in. We're gonna slide this in. Put that on. Timer. I'm doing it. Function is bake. The Fahrenheit is 350. And we're gonna do it for 8 minutes. That's right. Just 8 simple minutes, y'all.
8 minutes?
And let's go.
8 minutes.
8 minutes. Let it bake. Come back with you. Final results. All right, we're back. We're back. Almost in the final seconds. All right. Let's take it out and see what it looks like. Okay, it didn't technically brown as much. Still got a little lightness right there. Still got a little lightness right there in the center. So I could have took it on and did a little bit more than 8 minutes. Probably 9. I ain't gonna say 10 because I think 10 would have burnt it. So, but it's there. I'm gonna let it cool off, put a little icing on it, and then we're gonna check it out and see what it looks like on the inside. Check it out. All iced up.
Can we see that? Can we see? Can we see it? Oh! That looks good for mommy. She did it.
Okay, I want to make sure I actually show y'all that. Check that out. It is completely cooked. So you won't be like, I didn't see the inside. No, it's completely cooked. Look at that. Yep. And I'll show,
Everybody, can you see me?
Yeah, see that?
Can you see me?
Completely cooked. So yeah, perfect.
I want to see everybody.
Another thumbs up. Cinnamon rolls. FARBERWARE air fryer oven toaster. There it is. So, if you like my show, subscribe, give that girl that thumbs up, and check you out next time. Ow, ow.